Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Daily. In today's video, I'll guide you through how to start earning money from TikTok views in Canada. Now, if you're looking to monetize your TikTok content, this is the perfect place to start. So now let's get into it. The first step to earning money on TikTok is to join the TikTok Creator Fund. To qualify, you need to be at least 18 years old, have a minimum of 10,000 followers, and have accumulated at least 100,000 video views in the last 30 days. So once you meet these requirements, go to your TikTok settings, select Creator Tools, and apply for the Creator Fund. To maximize your earnings, focus on growing your audience. Create engaging high quality content that resonates with your target audience. Use trending hashtags, collaborate with other creators, and post consistently to increase your visibility and reach on the platform. And another way to earn money from TikTok is through brand partnerships and sponsored content. As your follower count grows, brands may reach out to you for collaborations. You can also pitch to brands directly, offering to create content that promotes their products or services in exchange for payment. Go live on TikTok and earn money through virtual gifts. Viewers can purchase and send gifts during your live streams, which you can then convert into cash. To access this feature, you need to be at least 16 years old and have 1,000 followers. Next, consider promoting your own products or services to your TikTok audience, whether it's merchandise, online courses, or consulting services. TikTok can be a powerful platform for driving sales and increasing your income. And that's how you can start earning money from TikTok views in Canada. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.